Come on, everybody. You are on the channel for English for Biology majors, which is brought to you by Tzu Chi University's Susan Ye. We hope after you learn this class, you will think biology is fun and to read biology book is piece of cake. Let's go, yay! Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with lesson 19. We have 6 more lessons to finish this course. First, we still need to review what we learned for last time. For glycogen, we use this prefix, glyco, G-L-Y-C-O, to describe anything that related to milk. We have these 2 prefixes to use, galacto, G-A-L-A-C-T-O, and lacto, L-A-C-T-O. For salt, we have this prefix, halo, H-A-L-O, or halo. For starch, we could use this prefix, amylo, A-M-Y-L-O, to describe anything that's related to starch. And for poison or toxin, we could use toxic, T-O-X-I, or toxico, T-O-X-I-C-O, or toxo, T-O-X-O, or we could put toxin, T-O-X-I-N, at the end of the word, but toxin is not officially a suffix. For odor, smell, things that smell, we could use osmo, O-S-M-O, and osphresio, O-S-P-H-R-E-S-I-O. For foul smelling, stench, something smell really bad, we use this prefix, bromo, B-R-O-M-O. Now we are going to proceed to lesson 19, which is prefix and suffix that's related to plants. First one we are going to learn is when we want to describe things that related to plant, we could use phyto, P-H-Y-T-O, this is the prefix, and the suffix we can use phyte, P-H-Y-T-E. Our example for phyto is phytoestrogen. Phytoestrogen, the structure of phytoestrogen like isoflavones. Phytoestrogen is any of a range of various compounds found in plants that function similarly to estrogens, like we show in the bottom of the PowerPoint, 17-beta-estradiol. This is the animals, humans' estrogen, and isoflavone, the structure of isoflavone, or this one, comestans, they are structurally similar to 17-beta-estradiol, and that's why they are called phytoestrogen. Research shown that to ingest some phytoestrogen, these a lot of them are from soybeans, because they can be converted to estrogens inside our body, so which are believed to be good for women, especially for women who is entering the menopause stage. And for the suffix phyte, our example is xerophyte. Xerophyte. In this picture, we show a Joshua tree. Joshua tree is one of the xerophyte. Xerophyte is referring to any plant suited for life in a habitat where water is scarce, such as in desert. Such plant may be a succulent, have small or reduced leaves. Like in this picture, the Joshua plant doesn't have very big leaves. Let's review what we learned. For plant, we could use the prefix phyto, P-H-Y-T-O, or the suffix phyte. PHYTE, to describe anything that's related to plant. And for chlorophyll, when we want to describe things that are related to chlorophyll, we can use this prefix phyllo, PHYLLO, or the suffix phyll, PHYLL. And the example, the best example would be chlorophyll. The prefix CHLORO is green, and then PHYLL is anything that related to chlorophyll. And the same prefix and the suffix can be used to describe leaves, because chlorophyll is found in leaves. And let's see our example. For the prefix phyllo, PHYLLO, our example is Phyllodes. Phyllodes is a flattened petiole or leaf that resembles and functions as a leaf. In this picture, what we show are the real leaf, but some of the plant, they may have a structure that's similar to leaf. And these are called phyllodes. And for the suffix phyll, PHYLL, our example is xanthophyll. Xanthophyll, the structure of xanthophyll is shown in this PowerPoint, and it is any of various hydroxy, carbonyl, or carboxylic acid derivatives of keratin. And also, xanthophyll has another name called lutein, L-U-T-E-I-N. Remember what we learned in the beginning of this class. The prefix xantho is yellow, and then the suffix phyll means leaf. So leaf yellow is the yellow pigment inside the leaf. We can also find xanthophyll in egg yolk. Let's review what we learned. For leaves, we have the suffix phyll, PHYLL, or prefix phyllo, PHYLLO. When we want to describe things that are related to wood, we have this prefix xylo, XYLO. Our example for xylo is xylitol. Notice that the O change into I because the pronunciation. Xylitol. This is the structure of xylitol. Xylitol are colorless crystals, and they are derived from xylose. It's the alcohol derivative of xylose, and xylitol is used as a sweetener. And the reason why I show this camel is the first time xylitol was on market in Taiwan, they actually make a really funny commercial related to camel. And one more example for XYLO xylo is xylem. Xylem is the vascular tissue in land plant primarily responsible for distribution of water and minerals taken by the roots. Xylem also form the primary component of wood. You can see the xylem can be found in this part, and they have thick walls, and they are dead when functional. For tree or tree-like structure, we could use this prefix dendro, D-E-N-D-R-O. Our example is Dendrohyrax. This is a picture of Dendrohyrax. It belongs to a genus comprising the tree hyrax. It is a native animal in Africa, I think. And one more example for dendrite is dendrite. Dendrite is the slender projection of a nerve cell which conducts nerve impulses from a synapse to the body of the cell. This part is called a dendrite. Okay. And for shoot, we could use this prefix thallo, T-H-A-L-L-O. Recall before when we are talking about prefix and suffix that's related to chemistry. Thallo can also be used for thallium, one kind of the element which can be used as a poison. Our example for thallo is thallus. Thallus is an undifferentiated plant body, such as an algae. Like in this picture, it shows a thallus structure of an algae. And they usually lacking vascular tissue. That's why they are called thallus. For root, we could use this prefix, rhizo, R-H-I-Z-O. Our example for rhizo is rhizobium. In this picture, it's a section of the nodule of soybean. Inside, we can find these rhizobium. Rhizobium is a taxonomic genus. They live in soil and fix nitrogen in association with roots of beans and peas. Now we finished the first part of lesson 19. Let's review what we learned this time. For plant, we use the prefix phyto, P-H-Y-T-O, or phyte, P-H-Y-T-E. For chlorophyll, we use phyllo, P-H-Y-L-L-O, or the suffix phyll, P-H-Y-L-L. The same prefix and suffix can also be used for leaves. And then for wood, we have this prefix xylo, X-Y-L-O. And for tree or tree-like structure, we could use this prefix dendro. For shoot, we could use this prefix thallo, T-H-A-L-L-O. For root, we could use rhizo, this prefix R-H-I-Z-O. Now we finished the first part of lesson 19. Next time we come back, we'll finish lesson 19 and give the quiz for lesson 19. See ya! English for Biology Major is brought to you by TCU's English for Biology Major course team. If you have any questions, don't forget to visit our FB fans page. The website is here, and you can also scan the QR code to reach to our FB fans page. This course is sponsored by Centers for Faculty Development and Instructional Resources of TCU.